This is a cleaner that I used to clean the board, and also this is a cleaner. Are they equal? So this is what you're going to learn in our Python operator, which is called comparison operator. It's one of the type of Python operator. If you don't know how my tutorial works, this is how it works. I'm going to give you the concept, teach you all the concept you need to know. When you go back to programming, you can actually know what exactly you are doing. So I'm going to teach you the concept of comparison operator in this video, and if you want to see the other concept of operators, you can look at my previous video where I explain assignment operator, arithmetic operators, and also explain the concept of data structure and other different types of data structure. So what is comparison operator and how comparison operator works? So just like I showed you in the beginning, like just comparing two different things. If I ask you, this is a chalk and also this is a chalk, are they equal? Equal in what? Equal in size, equal in length, or equal in whatever? What I'm asking is just, is it a chalk and also is it a chalk? So if they both are chalk, then it's going to be equal. Yes, true. So whatever the output of comparison operator is going to only give you the output of true or false. In mathematics, if we use arithmetic operator like 1 plus 1, you're going to see the output of 2, or 3 plus 1 is going to be 4, so on and so forth. But in comparison operator, whatever we did, the output is going to be true or false. So let's see an example. Now let me create a variable called x. Okay, there is something I forget to mention before we go to an example. We have the operators. The operators of comparison operator are, we have double equal sign. This is mean checking for equality. We have exclamation mark, which is checking for they are not equal, or I said not equal. It's just like you're asking a question like, this is not equal, right? So this is just the same thing with not equal. Then we have greater than, also a comparison operator. We have less than, we have greater than equal, we have less than equal. So these are the operators we have inside comparison operator. Equality sign, double equal sign, which is for equality, checking for equality, exclamation equal sign, which is asking for they are not equal, greater than, comparing two values, which one is the big one, less than, then greater than equal to, less than or equal. This is asking two questions but at the same time. It's just like you're asking, is this big, is it bigger than this one, or they are equal? And this one is asking like, is this smaller than this one, or they are equal? So let's see an example. Let's say I created a variable and I store 3 on it, and another variable and I store 5 on it. Then if I set x double equal sign y, the output is going to be what? Definitely the output is going to be false. The reason why the output is going to be false, because you are asking, is it x equivalent to y? X is 3 and y is 5. So 3 and 5, they are not equal. Then when you print this out, you're going to see the output of false. But if I do something like this and I said 5, is it equivalent to y? So what did we store inside y is 5. Then it's just like asking, is it 5 equivalent to 5? Then we're going to see the output of 2. And also if I ask, for example, like, is it x not equal to y? Then what do you think I'm going to get? Yes, definitely I'm going to get the answer going to be true. The reason why we're going to get true is just like I'm asking, is it 3 is not equal to 5, right? Then the computer will say yes, they are not equal. That means true. 3 and 5, they are not equal. And then we have greater than, which is, if I said I have is it x greater than y? X is 3 and y is 5. 3 is not greater than, then you're going to let me use this space. Then you're going to get the output of pulse. So how do you differentiate between greater than and less than? So whatever, just look at this, look at the arrow. Whatever where the arrow is pointing is telling you this is the small one. So here is just like asking, okay, this is the small one. So since y is small one, this means it's telling me x is it greater than y. So when the arrow is pointing to this one, then you are asking like, okay, is this smaller than this one? So look at where the arrow is pointing. It's telling you this is pointing the smallest one. Or I said the small one. So if I said, okay, now is it x less than y? Then this one is going to be true. Yes, because x is 3 and y is 5. Then 3 is less than 5. Yes. And then we have, is it x greater than or equal to y? This one also going to be false because they are both not. Our x is not greater than y, and our x is not equivalent to y. Then it's going to get the output of false. And also the same thing with this one. This one we're going to get true because x is less than y, but they are not equal. Since there is less than, then we're going to see the output of true because one of the operator is true. We're going to see the output of true because x is less than y, but they are not equal. Yes, but the output is going to be true because one of the operator is true. So this is it about comparison operator. And comparison operator is very important when we come to conditional statement or flow control in general. So when you come to flow control, you're going to see the importance of comparison operator. We're going to use it a lot, especially when we come to creating game and other stuff like that. So see you in our next video explaining the concept of order operators in Python programming.